guys, I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to invite you to a holiday stress workshop today at 2 p.m. So we are focusing on stress and the holidays because this is a huge part of feeling good in your body, in your mind, and actually being able to enjoy yourself. As women, as moms, as people in general, we're all putting so much energy and effort into the holidays, and this stress can often take away from our absolute intention. Not only that, but it hugely impacts our bodies, right? It causes us to overeat, emotionally eat, go in those cycles of like binging and then restricting, and then of course feeling angry and guilty and frustrated and all the things that we don't want to feel. Meanwhile, we're working to meet all the demands of ourselves and society and everybody else that we put on at the holiday time. So today at 2 o'clock on Zoom, it's going to be a super casual conversation. It's going to be a worksheet for you to actually leave. There's something in my lip. For you to actually leave with a plan so that you're not just like in theory thinking like, how am I going to do this? But you actually have a plan laid out that's going to help you to manage the stress, which in turn is going to help you to get away from the holiday weight gain so that you can stay feeling good in your body so that you can enjoy yourself and all the things that you're doing. Because the worst feeling is like getting through it and then feeling like you didn't show up the way you wanted to show up. You weren't able to enjoy it. You weren't able to, have the fun that you wanted to have. You did all this work and you're too drained or you're too frustrated or you're too annoyed with yourself or you're too feeling guilty to be able to actually enjoy it. So 2 o'clock today on Zoom. If you're interested in the link, post a comment right here, or I'm happy to send you the replay and the PDF for you to walk through on your own. Again, we're going to keep it short, quick, and casual, so it's not going to be taking up your whole day because that would be the opposite of decreasing stress. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you at 2 o'clock today, or you can catch the replay. Thanks.